In this question, suppose that each component of a certain vector is doubled. Okay. So by what multiplicative factor does the magnitude of the vector change? So let's call a vector to be like this. So there is a horizontal component of A and there's a vertical component of B. So definitely the net magnitude of this vector, let's call it V, is going to be square root of A square plus B square. And now if both the components are doubled, so this is 2A and this is 2B, so its new magnitude, let's call it V dash, so that's going to be square root of 2A square plus 2B square. So that's going to be square root of 4A square plus 4B square. So that's going to be square root of 4 times A square plus B square. So that's going to be square root of 4 is 2. So that's 2 times square root of A square plus B square. And this is nothing but the initial magnitude. So by what multiplicative factor does this change? So it changes by a factor of 2. The second part asks about by what multiplicative factor does the direction angle of the vector change? Okay. So if we talk about the angle is all about the ratio of the horizontal and vertical components. So tan theta initially would be given by B over A, and let's call this alpha, the new angle. So tan alpha would be given by 2B over 2A, which is nothing but B over A, and B over A is nothing but tan theta. This means that the alpha is equal to theta, so the angle does not change. So we're going to say that the factor is equal to 1, which means that the angle remains the same. Thank you.